Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Medical Director and Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. Diwali celebrations mean a lot of fun and enjoyment, but with incidents of eye injuries and even loss of eyesight being reported every year, it is crucial to take safety measures. In fact, eyes are the second most commonly affected area after the hands and fingers. As expected, the leading cause of injuries on Diwali is the lack of appropriate safety measures while lighting fireworks. Majority of injuries are associated with flower pot and rocket crackers. Burns are the most common type of injury. Crackers can cause heat burns, chemical injuries, blunt and penetrating injuries, and may even cause loss of vision, especially in children. Here are some tips which will help you to have a happy and safe Diwali. What are the do's? An adult should always supervise the use of fireworks by children. Remove all inflammable material from the fireworks area. Use a long agarbatti at an arm's distance to ignite fireworks. They burn without an open flame and provide a greater and safer distance between your hands and the fireworks. Keep a bucket of water nearby. Light fireworks outdoors only. Wear protective goggles to prevent eye injuries. This can be worn over your existing glass itself. Contact lens users, please remove them and switch over to glasses. Light only one cracker at a time. Hold lighted sparklers away from the body. Be very careful with sparklers as they reach temperature as high as 1000 degrees Celsius, high enough even to melt gold and cause serious injury. Wear cotton dresses only. Wear footwear to protect your feet. Discard used fireworks in a bucket of water. What are the don'ts? Never give fireworks to small children. Never ignite fireworks inside the house or near any inflammable material like petrol or diesel vehicles, dry leaves, etc. Nearly 40% of the firework injuries are borne by bystanders. Hence, never watch at a close distance. Never ignite aerial fireworks where there are overhead obstructions like trees, wires, which may interfere with its route into open airspace. Never relight a firework which has not burnt properly. Wait for 10 minutes and then soak it in a bucket of water. Never throw or point fireworks at other people. Never carry fireworks in your pocket. Never shoot fireworks in metal or glass containers. Avoid wearing synthetic nylon and flowy dresses as they might catch fire very easily. In case of an eye injury, don't press or rub the eye as the injury may get compounded. Don't tie a cloth across the eye firmly. This can cause undue pressure on the eye. Protect the eye with the goggles. If there is any chemical that has entered the eye, immediately wash the eye with any clean water for 30 minutes. Crackers may contain carbon, manganese, sulfur and other chemicals which can also damage the eye. Don't neglect any eye injury however trivial it may look. It's always better to rule out vision threatening problems. If a particle is large or stuck in the eye, do not attempt to remove it. Consult an eye doctor immediately. Follow these safety precautions. Have a wonderful Diwali. Thank you.